Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Car Views, the proud home of the world's most luxurious and futuristic motorhomes. Before we begin this royal tour, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Many viewers watch our videos but forget to subscribe. So today I request you to support our channel by subscribing and sharing this video with your friends. Your support helps us continue bringing high quality and unique luxury content for you. Today we proudly present the 2026 EleMMent Palazzo Motorhome RV, a true masterpiece of future engineering. This is not just a vehicle. It is a moving palace, a symbol of royal class travel, and a proud representation of next-level innovation. The moment you look at it, the double-deck design, panoramic glass walls, and neon ambient lighting instantly show its futuristic identity. The aerodynamic curves, premium metallic finish, and massive multi-axle wheels give it a powerful and majestic presence on the road. As you approach, the illuminated staircase automatically extends, welcoming you inside like a VIP entering a private jet. The tinted windows, floating LED lines, and smooth body shape make this motorhome look like a luxury hotel traveling with pride. Now moving to the backside, the rear view is equally stunning. The glowing taillights shine proudly. The aerodynamic curves continue in perfect smoothness, and the metallic finish gives the back a strong and futuristic look. You can clearly see the rear seating and gate area, beautifully lit with soft ambient lighting. This area is perfect for relaxing outdoors, enjoying sunsets, or creating a classy lounge setup behind your motorhome. The wide panoramic rear glass completes the proud royal design. Stepping inside, the living room welcomes you with panoramic glass walls, premium leather seating, elegant LED lighting, and a spacious open layout. The atmosphere feels like a luxury hotel suite, proudly decorated with futuristic textures and modern styling. Whether you're relaxing, hosting guests, or watching entertainment, the living room gives you unmatched comfort. Moving forward, the kitchen proudly showcases glossy countertops, smart appliances, premium cabinets, and a futuristic lighting environment. It is stylish, functional, and designed to make cooking feel effortless. From quick meals to grand dinners, this kitchen proudly delivers convenience at the highest level. The bedroom brings true royal comfort. A king-size bed, soft ambient lights, panoramic side windows, elegant decor, and premium textures make this space feel like a private luxury suite. It proudly reflects peace, privacy, and modern elegance. The washroom is designed like a personal spa, featuring a glass shower cabin, marble textures, LED backlighting, and high-end fixtures. Everything looks clean, modern, and proudly luxurious, giving you a refreshing experience every time you step inside. The 2026 EleMMent Palazzo Motorhome RV is not just a motorhome. It is a proud symbol of luxury, innovation, and royal class travel. If you enjoyed this powerful tour, please like this video, subscribe to Dream Car Views, and press the bell icon. Many viewers watch but don't subscribe. So today, I humbly request you to support our channel and share this video with your friends. Your support is what keeps us moving forward proudly. Thank you for watching Dream Car Views, where luxury meets the future.